Hello everyone, it's Karina with Karina Loves to Plan. Welcome back to my channel. Here I am planning in my Sterling Ink A5 Common Planner that I use as my everyday planner. And I'll just show you a glimpse of last week. You're going to see this actually in my daily journal video coming this Thursday. So this is how that looks all filled out, and that's using the Watercolor Pansies collection from my most recent release. So this week, for the week of the 19th through to the 25th of February, I will be using, this is from the JoJo's Pretty Paper Shop Luxury Advent Calendar. So there are 12 envelopes in there, and I open them every month, and I love it because it's a single sticker sheet that I can use for the week. So I can use part of this, oh that's gorgeous, part of this in my weekly spread, some of it in my, possibly my passport, and maybe even in my weeks or my N2. So this is all hand drawn by JoJo. It's absolutely beautiful. There's some really big stickers in here, so I'm trying to figure out how I'm going to make that all fit. But with the way that I'm using this now, I think it'll actually be quite good. So let's get started. Okay, so first thing that I want to put down, like, how am I going to decide what to use because they're all so pretty? I love the bike coming from the side there, but I also want to put something down here that's a bit bigger. So let's do the big front door here, which will still leave me, I think, just enough. I'm actually going to compare it to the previous week. So will that leave me enough room? It actually won't. It won't leave me with enough room to put in my workout and stuff. So if I put it here, there's still enough room for me to do my habit tracker and all of that. And even if I actually put it up here, there's so many places to put this. And I honestly don't mind covering the date, because I mean, I know it's the 20th, but hard to decide. Like, I love this sticker though. It's such beautiful detail. And I mean, I could also put it here, but that covers part of that morning. I don't mind covering up part of the evening here. You know what, let's just do it here. And this is fine to cover up this portion as well, because well, Monday is a holiday. It is Family Day in Alberta, and it's not a holiday that's recognized by all the provinces, but I'm glad to have it. Then let's do this. I'm going across like so. Again, covering up the dates because I don't really care. And then this one, it's such a beautiful sticker. And this one too, I feel like I'm gonna save that for, looking at my daily spreads actually. Yeah, I can save it for the Monday daily spread. So I'll save that one. I'll put this one down here. And oh, I love the colors of this as well, the pinks and the greens. And then I'll put this bicycle down here. Beautiful. Then let's see, how much do I want to save for my journal? That's the thing. So if I save these two for my journal, then I can use, ooh, see, I didn't think about this beforehand. I think, will this match? It will actually. So I think these are from According to Ali. Ooh, or if I go into, whoa, almost dropped my whole washi drawer, and hold on, almost dropped my whole washi drawer on my desk. Okay, so that's from According to Ali. There's some really good alcohol inks from According to Ali that I love to use, and I think there would be some that would match really well with this. Ooh, no, the mauve isn't pink enough. Plum is not pink enough. the, oh, I think the washi will be, oops, the washi is the better choice in this instance. So let's put that away. So here is the washi. I'm going to incorporate that here. And I'm also going to add this washi because I add it to pretty much everything. Because why not? Oops, I don't mind ripping that part off. That here. And combining the two. Oh, I like that. And then, what was I putting there? Oops, what was I putting over there? Just a little bouquet. And, oops, why is that not sticking? And then, where do I want to put the word February? Take this actually as well. And put that here. And then, whoops, I've got washi stuck to me. So I'll keep these for the next spread and then save that for the next one. And then put this here, here, here is fine. There we go. And then I'll add a little bit more of this washi down here. So, I was gonna say, if you're not familiar with According to Allie, she has amazing stuff as well. I mean, I love JoJo's stickers. I love Allie's stickers. They are my, I guess, idols for hand-drawn stickers. It's almost like I want to be them when I grow up because they're just so talented. And put a little bit of this. On top. Oh, I am in love with that. Love that. Then maybe just a little bit down in this corner here. And yeah, just a little one like that. And I feel like I'm gonna just peel this off just a little and place the washi underneath. And then get that really lovely effect. And then there's still room here for, whoops, my habit tracker, which I've been really good about filling in the habit tracker because it's on my weekly page. Whereas I'm getting really bad at filling it out when it's on the yearly page. Go figure. But, oh, I love that. Beautiful. Oh, see? I really like how that's turned out so far. So there's still room here for the habit tracker. Okay, so let's go in then and fill out this portion. Now, I think pens I'm going to use this week. I'm going to use the Just Turnings pen, which has Sydney Darling Harbor from Robert Oster, and then my Waterman Karen, which has Tatsuya Ume Murasaki. But how much of that is left in here? Oh, there's about half a converter left in there. So still plenty to use. So this pen I used either posted or unposted. I'm fine with either way. So I'm gonna write sleep. And this is where I'm keeping track of my sleep score that I get from my Fitbit. And I like to keep track of this one because that way I really know what behaviors and habits that I need to create in order to get a better night's sleep. But also it will, you know, for awareness sake, being aware of how I'm feeling the next day and why I'm feeling that way. I'm gonna work it out. So Monday, today is the stepper. Tuesday is week 2, and it's upper body first. And then then Wednesday is week 2 lower body. Thursday is the stepper. And Friday, again, week 2 upper. Saturday, week 2 lower. And then Sunday is the stepper. But I do the stepper every day. So, oh, that fit in perfectly. So then this day, I say this day, Monday, the 19th is a holiday, so there really isn't much that I'm going to be putting in there as of yet. And then let's put in work. So, my work shifts for Tuesday and Thursday. Where is the blotter paper? I love that this week is a short week. But Tuesday, Wednesday, and Thursday are my busiest days in terms of meetings. I don't have meetings on Mondays. But yeah, Tuesday, Wednesday, Thursday, I'm normally in back-to-back meetings. I normally have anywhere from 6 to 8 meetings both on those days. Okay, and work on Wednesday. Blotting paper for anyone who uses fountain pens in their planners. Blotting paper is a savior because it does take some time for these inks to dry. So blotting paper is great for preventing smudging. Ooh, okay, so then I'm gonna put my habits down here. And how do I want to do this? So listen to my, okay, there's enough days of the week here. So Monday, Tuesday, Wednesday, Thursday, Friday, Saturday, Sunday. And so we'll listen to my audiobook. Now my goal is I hope to finish the book that I'm reading. I'm currently reading The Hobbit, but I'm 163 pages from finishing. I'd like to finish it before the end of the month. So my goal actually this week is to read 17 to 20 pages of my book each day, and then meditate every night, and then sticker sheets used. Okay. Oh, let's put the T on habits. All right, perfect. I really like having my habits there. It helps me have it there for visualization. Really, really helpful. Okay, so Tuesday, let's go into using my icons. So Tuesday we have, well, that's the day my husband puts out all the garbage bins. And oops, I love these mini icons, well, these icons from Paper Bits Co. I think they're just adorable. So, put out bins. I really love this pen, put out garbage. Then Wednesday, nothing. And then Thursday is when my husband goes to pick up the groceries. I'm probably going to be folding laundry Tuesday night. And then cleaning. Oh, I get to start a new grocery sticker sheet because I used up the last one. Perfect. These ones are from Paper Bits Co. as well. So pick up groceries. And then Friday, not much on at the moment. Friday, I have Weight Watchers in the morning. Where is my weighing scale? So I'll have Weight Watchers in the morning, and then I'm gonna go and get my nails done. So there we go, weighing scale. Whoops. So these mini icons are from my shop, and I love how teeny tiny they are because they fit perfectly within the 1 hour slot there. So, whoops, 10 o'clock and then after I have my nail appointment. So I'm gonna use these multicolor nail polish ones from Coffee Monsters Co. Although like they're huge. I like my icons smaller. So yeah, well, I'll just say 11 o'clock brights. Manicure. Then after that, I will be filming. Hold on, let me put this away. So I have these stickers from Tasseled Planner. I don't think she's actually open anymore. So I'm putting that here. And I have some filming to do, but I haven't figured out yet what. Oh, that's gonna drive me nuts if that's not sticking on there. Okay, so film. Oh. I do have a video on the gin how to do. And then I know I'll have to do the ink video, the ink haul. Okay, then after that, picking up the kids from school and then taking them for boba. It's so funny because last week I had to work on Friday, so I couldn't take them for boba, and they both forgot that I was picking them up, so they were both on the bus. Thankfully they both got off the bus because I was already at the school picking them up. Oh, my children. Okay, so whoops, nope, no, not there, not there. Here. Okay, so take kids to boba. Oops. Okay. And then Saturday is going to be cleaning day because Sunday Henry will have Ninja. Gosh, I'm exhausted looking at this, but this past Sunday, yesterday, my daughter and I went skiing, and we'd been meaning to go for weeks but hadn't been able to because, funny enough, weather has been too nice to go skiing. Yeah, I never thought I would say that, but weather has been too nice to go skiing. And so there wasn't even enough snow to be able to go skiing. And yeah, that was crazy. So to clean, I know that I have to do, let's turn that around, bed linens, bathrooms. My husband will vacuum and do the windows. Kids really just have to keep their rooms clean, and then Henry will get all the garbage bins. Then no other plans for that day so far, and then Ninja for Henry on the Sunday. And this pen will be 11:30 to 12:30. Perfect. All right. Let me clean everything up and then I'm all good to go. So there is my overall finished spread using JoJo's Pretty Paper Shop stickers from her luxury advent calendar. I really, really like the way that that looks. Her artwork is just absolutely lovely. All right, so that is it for me. Thank you all so much for watching. If you have any questions, please leave them in the comments below. If you like this video, don't forget to hit that thumbs up and don't forget to subscribe. Thank you all so much for watching and have yourselves a great day.